All right, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 3 of our We're Moving series, house tour, the houses tour. So this is house number 5 that we're looking at right now. I'm in the kitchen, living room right now, I guess.
Oh, just a heads up, this is all in one day.
Yeah,
These first few
we just
videos,
broke it up.
Okay, so if you're wondering why the hell we in the same clothes, it's the same day.
This is
She's just breaking it up for y'all.
Yeah, this is the 5th day, the 5th house that we are looking at. The 2 major things that is missing right now, this house honestly is a fence in the yard and a dual sink in the bathroom. That is something that we cannot, those are 2 things that we cannot compromise on. If it had those 2 things, I'd be ready to move. Like, this house is so cute. We like this house. So I'm gonna show you around this house. So right now what you're looking at behind me, this is part of the living room. So this is the living room. So you have fireplace and this up above the thing. There's some nice windows in here. It's a nice space in the living room. So I'll show you around the living room. There's the back door. Look at these windows. Like, look at these windows. We're in love with the windows.
Lots of light.
We love the light. So this is the dining space. This is the laundry room. This is another concern that we had because we don't know if our washer and dryer would even fit in here because it's kind of big and the space is a little tight. So we're not sure if our washer and dryer would even fit in this laundry room. But the kitchen is beautiful. We love this fridge. The stove is brand new. I think the microwave is brand new. The dishwasher has been brand, but I also think it's new as well. Countertops look great. I love this countertop. It's very pretty. Here's a pantry. This is bigger than our pantry, so it might be like almost double the size of our pantry that we have now, so that's nice. They've got chains on all the doors, so that's cool. Here's the garage. Nice 2-car garage. I think this is definitely smaller than ours, so we would not be able to put any storage stuff in here. It would just be our cars. So it's a nice garage though. This is the backyard. It's right up against other people's yard, so we can't really tell where this yard stops and starts. So it goes like all the way around. It's a corner house. So there's a lot of grass. It just would be wonderful if it was fenced for our babies to come out here and run around. With like minimal supervision, so we would not have to be outside with them or put them on leashes or anything so they don't run away. Because Noda likes to run. Noda will dip out on me, so she'll come back home when I call her, but she'll dip. Alright, that's the front door. So when you come in on the right, on the left of the front door is this nice, I think it's like a formal dining room space with these pillars. We would use this as an office space if we were to move here. Definitely as an office space because we don't really want to take up a whole bedroom just for me to sit and work. So this nice. She wants to put some big old beanbag chairs in here.
Yeah.
I said put some accent chairs in here like an adult. She's not with it. But half bathroom on the first floor. Whoa, that was bright. So again with the really nice granite countertops. Nice what do you call it? Fixtures, finishings. All that. The finishings are really nice here. And then there is a pretty deep coat closet right when you come in the door. On the right of the door is a set of stairs. There's a window on the stairs. So random. But yeah, so then we go up the stairs. Oh, almost fell. We go upstairs and there's a hallway. Here's the hallway. I don't know what's going on with these little tiny rooms, but all the rooms in the houses that we've been seeing, where there's like multiple rooms, a lot of rooms, they're really small. So we need to fix that. That's off the track. But this is a guest room, I guess, one of our kids' room, nursery, whatever you want to call it. But we don't have kids or babies, so we can use all the rooms we want the way we want to. There's an attic up there. This is the primary bedroom. This is smaller than our room. Our room is bigger than this in the house that we live in now. Here's the big problem. There's one sink, and it's like you had space for another sink. Put 2 sinks in here. So this is just not enough space for us to get ready. Like I said in the last video, last house, it's not enough space for us to get ready. That toilet, tub, and shower, I would really like them to be separate. But it's a nice size tub. And then here's the closet. The closet's not quite big enough for us either. We could probably make this work. This would have to be my side because, you know, Tyson's short. But I have to take that side. But it's just that it's just too small. I think it's just a hair too small for the two of us. Linen closet. There's a lot of closets. There's a lot of storage space in this house, which is nice. There's also a ceiling fan in here. This is the same ceiling fan that we have in our house now. Down the hallway, there is yet another linen closet here. Another linen closet. Then, like I said, there's a lot of linen closets, a lot of storage space. Bathroom, real simple bathroom, you know, toilet, tub, shower, sink, all that jazz. Extra room, another room, boob light, big window, it's a nice size window. There's a lot of light in this house. Another closet. This closet is, I guess a decent size. It's not super big, but it's not super small either. So, I mean, I've seen smaller closets in my lifetime. But yeah, so like I said, this house is really nice. Just not for us, but it's nice. If we were gonna compromise on those things, we could say where we were at, to be honest. If we was gonna compromise on having 2 sinks or not having a fence, we could literally say where we're at. So unfortunately, this house is not gonna work for us, but I do really like this house. It's really freaking cute. But yeah, so this is house 1 of this episode. So we're gonna go to the next house and we'll show you that one. All right, y'all, this one has so much potential. When I tell you this one has so much potential, but like I told Tyson when we walked in and I said in a video, you cannot trick me!
You cannot trick me! You cannot trick me!
But yeah, that's better. Y'all couldn't see me. But yeah, so the first floor, dope. Walked in and was like, okay, and then was like, oh, okay. But then upstairs it was like, okay. So, got on there a little fast. But the kitchen kind of reminds me of our kitchen though. It's a little bit bigger, but it reminds me of the kitchen. It's only a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Honey, I think the difference is that space right there. All right, so we're in the kitchen. This kitchen looks a lot like ours, but they got separated sinks. Stove, microwave, Tyson. Ooh, I hit my head. Refrigerator. I'm gonna show y'all the yard since I'm in here. The yard is super nice. Like we have not been looking at houses that don't have nice yards because these fur babies gotta have fun. So there's a fenced yard. It is closed over there. It is closed over there and around the corner. It is definitely closed with a gate. But it's a nice size yard. Cute yard. Little patio. So this is the living room, right? This is the living room. Fireplace. No carpet in here. That's cool. There is carpet in the bedrooms, but that's okay. But there's a fireplace. Nice size windows. This is the laundry room hookups. Laundry closet, I guess. There's a bathroom down here. Bathroom that is attached to a sink, which Tyson does not like, but it should be alright. Garage. 2-car garage. Very nice 2-car garage. And it has cookers hanging up. So you walk in. This is the living room, or I guess I don't know what this space is. You walk in, you see stairs, but then you see all this space over here, and it's like, whoa, where all this come from? And then the kitchen is a nice size, and it's great, right? And I said, you can't trick me. You can't trick me, because why do you want to go upstairs? Go upstairs, and there's carpet on the stairs again. There's carpet in the bedrooms, which I don't like, but whatever. This is a nice size room. This is the primary bathroom. The primary bedroom. It's a nice size room. But look how little this closet is, first of all. Like, this ain't enough for one person. This closet is tiny. That's not enough space for anybody. If you say it is, you lying. And then the bathroom. How do you expect 2 adults to share? It's tiny. No, that's not for me. But we're seeing that a lot. And then the bedrooms aren't that bad though. This bathroom looks the exact same. Like why does the hallway bathroom looks the same as the one in the primary bedroom? It should be a lot nicer. This is a small room. This will probably be like an office or maybe Mike Tyson's like well meditating here or something. But it's got a pretty small closet. The upstairs is pretty small. And then this room is a little small too, but it's bigger than the other one. And there is a walk-in closet. And this closet is bigger than the closet in the primary bedroom. And like what even is that? So this is will be the guest room, I guess. And this is just another linen closet. The white on white is on my camera. But yeah, it has the fence. It has the space we need. We can make the bedroom work. What we cannot make work is that closet and the lack of 2 sinks again. So you don't like the floors? Alright. So yeah, it's not gonna cut it. My battery's about to die. So that's the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.